Welcome back. Today we are looking at discovering the innovation of 2020 Apple iMac with Retina 5K display, 27-inch 8 gigabytes. There are machines you simply use, and then there are machines that change how you think about work. The 2020 Apple iMac with Retina 5K display, 27-inch, 8 gigabytes RAM, 512 gigabytes SSD falls into the second category. Check the video description for the updated price link. Even though the tech world has moved toward ultra-compact silicon-driven desktops like the newer Apple Silicon ecosystem, this iMac still feels like a beautifully engineered startup command center designed for creators, builders, and thinkers who want a clean, distraction-free workspace. As someone fascinated by innovation culture, especially the way startups rethink productivity tools, this iMac feels like a bridge between traditional high-performance desktop computing and the minimalist future we are all heading toward. It is not just a computer, it is a focused workspace philosophy wrapped in aluminum and glass. Even when compared to newer machines like the Apple iMac 24-inch M3, this 2020 27-inch 5K model still stands tall because of its expansive display, upgradable architecture, and raw multitasking capability. It is a tool that invites deep work, creative experimentation, and uninterrupted flow states. Modern startups thrive on speed, clarity, and iteration. The iMac 2020 aligns with that mindset in a surprisingly elegant way. While it predates Apple Silicon, it remains a highly capable Intel-based workstation built for professionals who need screen real estate and reliable performance for design, video editing, software development, and data-heavy workflows. The 27-inch 5K Retina display is where this machine truly feels futuristic. With over 14.7 million pixels, it transforms simple tasks like writing, coding, or browsing dashboards into visually immersive experiences. For entrepreneurs, designers, and developers, this clarity reduces cognitive fatigue and enhances focus. In startup environments, where iteration speed matters, having a machine that handles multiple apps, browser tabs, and creative tools without hesitation is essential. This iMac delivers exactly that balance of stability and creative freedom. 27-inch Retina 5K display, ultra-sharp visuals with P3 wide color gamut, 8 GB DDR4 RAM, upgradable, suitable for multitasking and scalable performance, 512 GB SSD storage, fast boot times, and responsive file handling, Intel 10th Gen processors, reliable multi-core performance for creative apps, AMD Radeon Pro graphics, smooth rendering for design and video editing, macOS ecosystem, seamless integration with Apple devices and cloud services, ultra-thin design, minimal footprint for modern workspaces. What makes these features particularly appealing is not just the specifications themselves, but how they combine into a workflow-focused machine. Everything is optimized for clarity, speed, and consistency, three things every startup builder values deeply. Performance in real-world usage is where the iMac 2020 shines. While benchmark comparisons often favor newer Apple Silicon chips, this machine still performs exceptionally well in multitasking and creative workloads. In video editing software like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro, the system handles 4K timelines smoothly, especially when paired with optimized storage workflows. Graphic designers working in Photoshop or Illustrator will appreciate the large canvas space and color accuracy of the 5K display. For developers, this iMac provides a stable macOS environment ideal for running Xcode, Docker containers, multiple IDEs, and browser-based testing environments. The 512 GB SSD ensures that loading times remain fast and consistent. From a startup perspective, this machine encourages a flow-first environment. You are not constantly fighting lag or visual limitations. Instead, you are iterating faster, designing cleaner interfaces, and thinking more clearly. It's worth noting that this system becomes even more powerful when integrated into a broader Apple ecosystem. Phone continuity, AirDrop workflows, and iCloud Sync create a seamless operational layer that startups love for efficiency. Check the link in the description to get yours today.